Hey everyone, so today's mudra is the Shiva Linga Mudra, which has to do with commitment. It helps with digestion, spiritual commitment. It also helps with concentration. There's just a side note here that this can affect your hypertension if you have hypertension. So just be aware, kind of monitor what is happening in your body if you do choose to do this mudra. So it looks like this. You place your left hand flat with the palm facing up and your right hand like this with the thumb facing upwards. Place the right hand on top of the left, and then you can place that at your abdomen. And whenever you are ready, just get into a comfortable position and take a deep breath in through your nose. Close your eyes and then sigh out the breath. And then take another deep breath in. Sigh it out. Relaxing those shoulders, relaxing your body, allowing those muscles, any tension just to melt away. And then just continue to breathe normally, in through the nose, out through the nose, but allowing that breath to flow. Focusing on the mudra, focusing on your breath flowing through that mudra. Now bring awareness to your solar plexus chakra just above your navel. And this is where you are currently holding your mudra. And the solar plexus chakra has to do with your willpower and your courage. And just breathe into that chakra, imagining a yellow flower blossoming and blooming. Beautiful yellow flower opening up to the sun. Opening up awareness. Just continue to focus on the chakra, allowing it to open even further, allowing it to come into balance with your body, with your mind. If you are having any issues with your own empowerment, with your own willpower, with believing in yourself, and bring this back into balance. Allow this energy to open up with every breath. Just envisioning that yellow flower growing and expanding and becoming more yellow, more beautiful. Now you can stay here as long as you like. Just continuing to envision that yellow flower opening up, allowing that breath to flow through the mudra, through that chakra. And then when you are ready, you can slowly bring yourself back into your body, back into the space. And then just slowly bring yourself out of the meditation. You can rub your hands together, you can place them over your eyes and then open your eyes and remove your hands. Whatever will work for you. Thank you for being here. Namaste.